Imagine creating stunning faceless YouTube videos without touching a camera. EA is making this possible, and we're showing you exactly how artists are using it to scale their creative content. Faceless videos eliminate the pressure of being on camera while maintaining authenticity. E-tools generate visuals, voiceovers, and editing automatically. For artists and designers, this means consistent content production without burnout. You focus on creative direction while automation handles execution. It's perfect for showcasing art portfolios and visuals at scale. Tools like Synthesia, Runway, and Descript now generate professional voiceovers and visuals instantly. Leonardo AI and Midjourney create stunning artwork to complement your narrative. Editing platforms like Clip automate the entire post-production workflow. To complement your narrative, these combine seamlessly. Write a script, generate visuals, add voiceover, publish. The entire process takes hours instead of weeks. Artists are building faceless channels showcasing AI-generated art techniques, design trends, and creative prompting guides. High-quality visuals keep viewers engaged while automation maintains consistency. YouTube's algorithm rewards watch time and retention. Faceless videos deliver both. Many creators earn dollars plus monthly through AdSense, sponsorships, and digital product sales without ever appearing on camera. Start with a clear creative niche art techniques, design inspiration, or prompt engineering. Write a compelling script, generate visuals matching your style, add a voiceover, and edit with automation tools. Test different thumbnails and titles, generate ease dishes with thumbnails and titles. Track analytics obsessively. Scale what works, of which the barrier to entry is lower than ever. Execution consistency determines success. Ready to automate your creative content? Like this video, subscribe for more art strategies, and comment your biggest video creation challenge below.